Primary colors. Let's paint. Hi, kids. Today we're doing a painting of an elephant. Let's have some fun. God is our creator. He lives in his kingdom up in heaven, and he wants you to know that there is no other God beside him. Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 to 25. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven. And God created great whales, and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly, after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, Be fruitful, and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let fowl multiply in the earth. And the evening and the morning were the 5th day. And God said, Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle, and creeping thing, and beast of the earth after his kind. And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. Elephants are one of the most incredible animals that God made. They are the largest land mammals and are known for their big size, long trunks, and giant ears. Let's explore some cool facts about these gentle giants. An elephant's trunk is a long, powerful nose that's also like a hand. Elephants use their trunks for many things, like breathing and smelling, drinking water by sucking it up and spraying it into their mouths, picking up food like leaves, fruit and grass, greeting other elephants with a friendly trunk shake, and taking showers by spraying water over themselves. Elephants have huge ears that aren't just for hearing. They also use their ears to keep cool. When it's hot, elephants flap their ears to fan themselves and cool down. This is especially important for African elephants that live in hot climates. Elephants have long, curved teeth called tusks. These tusks help them do things like digging for water and roots in the ground, stripping bark from trees to eat, and defending themselves from predators or other animals. Elephants are very social animals. They live in groups called herds, which are usually made up of female elephants and their babies. The leader of the herd is often the oldest and wisest female, called the matriarch. Elephants love spending time with their families, playing, and even helping each other when someone is sick or hurt. Even though they're so big, elephants are gentle creatures. They love to play, especially in the water, where they splash around and have fun. Baby elephants, called calves, are very playful and curious. See the elephant's ears. It's so pink.